Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the jersey material and number construction. Polyester with heat-pressed vinyl behaves differently than stitched numbers. Once identified, clean the area with rubbing alcohol to remove oils and loosen dirt so paint adheres. Next, mask around the numbers precisely with low-tack tape to preserve edges. Begin with a thin coat of textile primer or base paint. This seals old pigments and creates a uniform surface, which helps the next layers bond and prevents bleeding under the mask. You now rebuild the number color by applying multiple thin coats rather than one thick one, because thin layers resist cracking and match texture better. Once done with each pass, let the paint dry 10 to 20 minutes, then inspect under good light to evaluate coverage. After final coat, heat set following the paint maker's temperature and time. This bonds the pigment to synthetic fibers. If edges look sharp, feather lightly with a dry brush. This creates a seamless transition and mimics factory finishes. You finish by applying a compatible textile sealer to protect the renewed numbers from abrasion and washing. Allow full cure time before wearing. Once cured, heat set again if product recommends. This adds longevity. If paint chips or flakes later, gently sand the area, clean, reprime, and reapply thin layers. Avoid heavy solvents that damage fibers. If color doesn't match, mix small test batches and trial on a hidden seam or scrap until you get the correct shade before redoing the.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.